In this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at a product that's changing the way women experience their menstrual cycle. It's the story of LunaCare. Here's Deidre Thomas.
It's not just underwear. It's a solution to a problem that's long overdue. But what is it exactly?
LunaCare JA, Jamaica's first period underwear.
The idea is simple. It's underwear that women can bleed right into, eliminating the need to use disposable sanitary napkins.
I was in search of a more healthy option to wear during my menstrual cycle, something that was actually more comfortable. I was searching, I wasn't able to find that, and due to that, it led me into a whirlwind of research in terms of the different options that are available to females.
It was after completing that deep dive into the product, identifying the spots in the market, and testing the prototype, this GIS engineer, DeAndrea Bryan, launched LunaCare, a line of period underwear during the COVID-19 pandemic.
It wasn't a hit right off the bat. I know persons are still skeptical regardless of the amount of work that we have done thus far, but I think a lot of persons are now opening up to the idea of wearing a menstrual underwear. They love the fact that it's comfortable, but because we're trying to also safeguard the environment and we're trying to cut down on reusable, on disposable plastics, this is one of the selling points for persons who are also interested in the environment.
The panties, which are leak-proof, reusable, and can be hand-washed, are made from organic cotton. They come in various styles, including high waist and bikini cut, offering 3 absorbency levels.
The first is a moderate absorbency, which holds up to 27 milliliter worth of liquid. That you can still wear that for up to 8 hours, but these are for lighter days. And then we have high absorbency, which holds 36 milliliter worth of liquid. That is for your regular average period. And then we recently added our super absorbency, which goes up to 54 milliliter worth of liquid. To put this into context, however, 36 milliliter worth of liquid is about 3 to 4 regular tampons.
With a lifespan of up to 2 years and catering to all body types, from teens just starting their menstrual cycle to postpartum women, Ms. Bryan emphasizes the need to keep it natural during the manufacturing process.
We also do have a antibacterial and antimicrobial layer within the underwear as well. That ensures that you won't have bacteria or infections harboring within the underwear to prevent you from catching an infection.
Now, 3 years into the business, what started with over 500,000 Jamaican dollars as a solo endeavor has grown significantly, with products available in select pharmacies in the corporate area and online.
We started with just one underwear, not a lot of sizes as well. And since that, we've been able to add around 6 more styles. We've also added staff. We have myself and 1 other permanent staff, and then we have 3 part-time staff.
Although having a steady flow of income, the business has not been without its cramps.
I just say that my main challenge is really getting it into pharmacies, because we have to convince the buyers for the pharmacies that this is a product that people will be interested in.
With relief coming through greater acceptance of the product, the young entrepreneur is looking to expand her distribution network in the Caribbean. With a Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.